To change the view on the header position, toggle the icon on the center. You will now visualize the automatic cutting height set points, the header position and actual tilting indication, and the cutoff height. The automatic cutting height set points are represented by the triangles with number 1 and 2. You will learn how to adjust them in the header settings tutorial. Remember that from this view, you can just visualize them. The gray horizontal line represents the header actual height position that you will see change if you lift or lower your header. The two black indicators on the right side of it will show the actual tilting status of the header. Tilting on the right side or on the left side will change the indicator's position. The red dotted line instead shows the cutoff height level, the height above which the hectare counter stops working. The header indicator color will turn green when the header height is below the cutoff height level, and gray when above.